On a recent trip out to Los Angeles, I finally got out to that famous plane spotting location located at the intersection of Sepulveda Boulevard and 92nd Street. The grassy knoll on the northeast corner of LAX is also right across the street from this somewhat famous place. And hey, what's better than enjoying some In-N-Out burger while you take in views like this? I'll drink a chocolate milkshake to that, and hey, no hate to my Cali friends, but I'll take Shake Shack any day over In-N-Out Burger. The park offers plenty of open-air space for the dozens and sometimes hundreds of plane spotters who come out each day, and there's even a sign welcoming you to LAX. If you watch from here, you'll get views like this. And like this. It really feels like you could almost reach up and touch the planes.
And finally we got Southwest.
Looks like we got Delta coming in.
You can also cross the street to stand on the sidewalk directly underneath the approach lights, and then you'll get amazing views like this.
All right, here comes one. That was Delta, in case you couldn't see.
And when a jumbo goes overhead,
Here comes another one.
you'll really feel it.
That was another American. It looked like the tail looks American or Qantas.
I don't know whether I prefer that view or this view. It's definitely easier to tell what airline it is from over here. You'll also spot a few regionals, but about half the planes coming in were jumbos. And don't forget to watch some departures while you're here too. Sometimes you'll catch an arrival and departure at the same time. About half the departures were jumbos as well, like this El Nippon Airways 787. I also caught this Latam 787 starting its takeoff roll. And this Japan Airlines 787 as well. I'm planning to cash out 80,000 American miles next year to go first class on Japan Airlines from New York to Tokyo, so stay tuned for that flight report. But for now, let's watch this Virgin Atlantic A350 take to the skies.
There she goes.
Why is it just so damn beautiful to see a plane shoot into the sky like that? Alright, back to arrivals, and here's another regional jet coming in. Now, I spent about 4 hours plane spotting that afternoon, and I was determined to catch more jumbos coming in.
Here we go. Cathay Pacific 777.
There we go. Looks like we got an Airbus 340.
Throughout the afternoon, arrivals were spaced about every 4 to 5 minutes, which makes sense because LAX has 4 runways, 2 on the north side and 2 on the south. If you haven't checked out this spot yet, you gotta do it on your next visit to LA. Trust me, you'll be happy you did.
Last one of the day.